In this video, I will show you how to insert any type of chart in Microsoft Word. So, insert and chart. So, almost guys, you will find all type of chart like line, pie, bar, area, X, Y, stock, and radar. Combo. So, for example, you want to enter the line chart in your Word, select it, then click on OK. So, this is the chart, and here you can change settings. Change your data as you need, so it will appear in this chart. And once you done, close this Excel sheet. Like this. And once you need to edit the data, again click here. It will appear here and you can change your data and click on it. So thanks for watching.